Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now, the Met Office is keeping its flash flood watch in effect for sections of eastern and southern parishes because we have been seeing significant shower and thunderstorm activity affect most of the northern as well as sections of southeastern parishes for most of today. We did record in excess of 80 millimeters of rainfall across sections of St. Thomas, and we did see above 90 millimeters of rainfall across sections of the corporate area as well as some parts of St. Catherine. Cloudy conditions persist. We still have that trough system in the center of the Caribbean, still producing showers and thunderstorms across Hispaniola and Jamaica. We expect much of the same tomorrow. There's very little movement with this trough system as it's progressing, but there is some weakening that we are expecting, and we do expect that the system should be just north of the area and out of the Caribbean sometime in the afternoon on Wednesday. Now, the forecast for tonight has shower activity. We also have thunderstorms expected across sections of eastern parishes. Temperatures are dropping to about 23 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. We expect northerlies across the north coast tonight, and the winds are out of the east across this. Northerlies across the south coast tonight, and we're expecting easterly winds across sections of the north. Now, the forecast for tomorrow also has shower activity, especially across sections of northern and southeastern parishes. And then for the afternoon, you can expect it to continue as well. We're expecting maximum temperatures in Kingston and in Montego Bay to be about 30 degrees Celsius. Now, let's have a look at the breakdown. Cloudy conditions are persisting across most of the area tomorrow. That's right through from the southeast all the way through to sections of the southwest in Black River, sections of Savannah, Lamar. We're also expecting clouds, showers, and thunderstorms across sections of Santa Cruz. For the northeast, we do have showers and thunderstorms expected across sections of Port Antonio as well as for Port Maria. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Well, we thank you so much for watching.